Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I got more earbuds in. I actually had these about a week and a half ago, and I wanted to really test these out for you. These actually are from iTeknic. They sent me some other earphones too, and or over-the-ear headphones, and they sent me these right here afterwards. And I said, sure, I love them because I love earbuds. This is the package that comes in. I just wanted to show you this. This very good presentation once again. Extra clips, extra earbuds. Same thing with the other product that they have. But I pulled out the earbuds right away when I got them here. I want to show you the earbuds themselves. So as you can see here, you've got a plus and minus button, and then you've got one in the center. You've got a microphone there for calls. And these do make calls. And you've got a little spot here for charging on the side. And you've got real faint branding right here. It looks pretty cool. Now the earbuds themselves obviously are magnetic, very strong magnet, very nice. They feel really good in your ears. But the great part about these is this magnet is actually a little bit stronger than some of the other magnets that I have on some of my earbuds. So that's a huge plus. Now this portion right here, and these, if you can see, these are a little bit bigger than the norm for earbuds. But when you put them in your ear, it's not very noticeable at all. Because they're black and everything. So, I don't know. They just very subtle. You can't really tell from the side like this. They're a little bit bigger than the norm from what I noticed, but these have a reason for being a little bit bigger. They have more than likely a bigger battery in here because these have 24 hours of playback. And I can attest that you will not have to charge these for quite some time when you charge them up and start using them. So, comfort level is there. Sound quality, it's good. It's not like groundbreaking, gonna blow your mind, blow your socks off. However, they do cancel out the noise in the gym very well. They do have IPX4, so they're sweatproof, lightweight, and I think they're gonna do. I really like that they have a magnet on the back side of them. So the best part about these is these are only $25 with free one day Prime shipping. So that's a huge plus. So Bluetooth 5.0. 24 hours of playback time at least. And I think you'll be able to get more than that depending on how you're using them. You know what I'm saying? So that's going to be up to you and how you decide how you use them. But this is, I think one of the most shocking parts is how strong this magnet is. It is super strong. So I wanted to give you a quick video on these. They sound good. I tested them. They sound really good. They're comfortable at the gym. I don't think you'll have a problem with these if you decide to pick these up. They're only $25 compared to some other earbuds like Beats and all these other high name brands or so-called better name brands. These have great, pretty good noise canceling, DSP noise canceling, it says, and they're really good. An active person will really enjoy these. So I wanted to go ahead and get you a quick video on these. It's your man Jay. Link will be in the description, so I'll see you in the next one. Take care.